Hi everybody, welcome to Beauty Buzz with Lori. So again, it's my month, remember my birthday month, and so this time we're going to be talking about lashes. So I have always gotten the individual lash extensions, which I really enjoy. I just recently saw actually on my Facebook feed, Lashify. This is a company that has their own lashes that you actually apply. You don't have to go and have them applied. And they have this kit right here, and with this kit you get everything you need in it to get started. So in here they have the lashes, they call their lashes gossamers, and so there are two different ones that you can purchase with your kit, and you can choose what those are after you do a little bit of research to see maybe what you would prefer. And it is a preferential thing because some people like really flashy lashes and some people like very natural lashes, and they have all of that available. So I haven't learned the names. I've only actually applied them 3 times, and I'm going to include some photos with this video of me without any lashes on and then me right after I've applied them. So I really like that. I'm going to show you what the gossamers look like. These are the ones that I've acquired so far. So these are the ones that came in my kit, and these are what they refer to as A's. Once you start looking at the company, you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. And then these are the ones that I've purchased separately. So my most recent ones that I purchased are these Starbursts right here. That's these 3. They're 3 different sizes. And so whenever you're applying your lashes, they refer to them as maps, and that's because you can play with these in any order that you want. So you can literally create any style. What I love about this company is that if you want to create a different style every day, you can. You're not locked in once you've put them on. So like the ones that I currently have on are the new Starbursts. So this particular map that I did, it's not my favorite, to be honest with you. It's a little heavier than what I like. I feel a little bit like Betty Boop. Starbursts had that spiky look to them, and so I think of this more, for me anyway, would be a nighttime look, maybe going out and having drinks or something like that. But I do, on a normal day-to-day basis, prefer more of a natural look. So I just put these on last night. It's my 3rd time applying them. They say it takes about 3 times to get fully acclimated to applying them. And of course, each time you do it, you just get better and better. Practice makes perfect, right? So this little wand right here is what you actually apply them with. And then the curve of this right here actually fits onto the eyelid so that you can fuse them together. So the bond, it's actually applied from underneath, and I suggest that you go to the videos, lashify.com. There's also Lashify Life on Facebook. They have a group that you can join. You don't have to have made any purchases or anything. You can stalk them just like I did to learn more about them. They're also located on Instagram. They do a lot of live videos. That's another thing I actually like about this company is they provide a lot of training. You don't just buy it and then you're on your own to figure it out or trying to figure it out with written instructions. Me personally, I'm a visual learner, so I like to see how it's done first so that I can kind of pick it up and then move forward with it. So the wand is patented by the company, and this right here, it's a dual wand that has your bond, and then I don't remember what the other one's called. White light, I think is what it's called. Okay. And so basically you just brush this through your natural lashes just like you would mascara. And then you let it dry for about 30 seconds. And then you want to go back in. This is the double bond method. You don't have to do this, but it does give you longevity if you want to wear them for about a week or 2. You go back in and you just hit along the like 1 to 2 centimeters above the water line, which is where you're going to be placing your lashes. And then after that dries for about 30 seconds, you go back in with the white light and you'll see it's white. Okay, and this is kind of like your glue. It is a bond, but the nice thing about these bonds and why you can do them daily if you wanted to is it doesn't ever harden like the bond does or the glue does whenever you go to get individual lashes. So you just put this again on that 1 to 2 centimeters above the water line, and then it will start to turn from white to kind of clear, and that's your signal that you know it's okay to apply the lashes in whatever pattern you want to based on what you've purchased. Once you've applied them, that's when you come back in with your wand and you're going to actually, you know, clamp down on that, and you're fusing it, and so that's what's going to hold it together to your lashes. So the nice thing about this is you can do these and it does not harm your natural lash. There's also a remover that you can use that is an oil base. You can actually use any oil base remover, and they come right off. You just put it on, let it soak for a few minutes. I did it last night. It was kind of cool, and the whole set came right off. Very easy. My lashes all still intact. No lashes attached to, none of my natural lashes attached to the gossamers. So it's been pretty impressive for me. I've been impressed with the whole system. So, you know, something you might want to try if you don't like going and getting the individual lashes and you want to preserve your natural lashes. And then there's also Latisse. So Latisse is something that we sell here in the office, and that is a prescription that you can get here in the office. It helps your natural lashes to grow. So if you don't mind mascara and you just want longer, fuller lashes, then maybe that's an option for you. So that's 3 different options. You can go get individual lashes. You can do them yourself if this is something you enjoy. I find it quite relaxing, actually. So try it out and see what you think, and comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.